6. Did you know that diabetes isn't just about blood sugar? It can also rob your body of essential nutrients, leaving you drained, vulnerable, and struggling to keep your health in check. One of the most overlooked but powerful nutrients is vitamin B6, a key player in protecting nerve health and keeping dangerous complications at bay. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your body works hard to flush out excess glucose. But here's the problem. It doesn't just remove sugar. It also washes away important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6. And without enough of it, you could be at a higher risk of diabetic neuropathy, one of the most frustrating and painful complications of diabetes. Imagine feeling constant tingling, numbness, or even burning sensations in your hands and feet. That's what nerve damage from diabetes can do. But what if there was a simple way to fight back? Vitamin B6 is like your body's defense shield. It fights against glycation, a harmful process where excess sugar in your bloodstream clings to proteins and forms toxic compounds called AGEs. These compounds wreak havoc on your cells, speeding up aging and increasing the risk of heart disease, kidney issues, and slow wound healing. The good news? Making sure you get enough vitamin B6 can help block this damage, keeping your nerves, heart, and metabolism in check. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get enough of this vital nutrient? The best way is through real whole foods that naturally contain vitamin B6. Bananas aren't just a quick snack. They're packed with B6 to support your nervous system. Green vegetables like spinach and broccoli don't just give you fiber. They deliver a strong dose of this essential vitamin. Red bell peppers, chickpeas, and pistachios, they're not just delicious, they're also B6 powerhouses. And if you prefer lean proteins, chicken and fish are fantastic sources that provide steady, long-lasting benefits. Sure, supplements are an option, but they're not always the best solution. Whole foods offer a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that work together naturally, making them more effective than isolated pills. Plus, food-based vitamins are easier for your body to absorb, reducing the risk of unexpected side effects. Let's be real, managing diabetes can feel overwhelming. Some days, it feels like you're constantly battling high blood sugar, fatigue, and frustrating symptoms. But small, consistent choices add up. Adding vitamin B6-rich foods to your diet is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do to protect your nerves, balance your mood, and boost your overall well-being. So here's the question. What's stopping you from making this change today? Your health is in your hands, and every step you take brings you closer to feeling stronger, healthier, and more in control. Don't wait. Start fueling your body with the nutrients it needs and take charge of your diabetes today. 2. Vitamin B12. Imagine waking up every day with numbness, tingling, or even pain in your hands and feet. Simple tasks, buttoning a shirt, holding a cup, or even walking, suddenly feel frustrating. This isn't just random discomfort, it could be vitamin B12 deficiency, a silent but dangerous issue that many people with diabetes don't even realize they have. Here's the kicker. If you're taking metformin, the most common diabetes medication, your risk of B12 deficiency is even higher. This drug may help control blood sugar, but it also blocks your body from absorbing vitamin B12 properly. So, even if you're eating well, you might still be running low on this critical nutrient. And when that happens, your nerves suffer. Vitamin B12 isn't just another vitamin, it's a lifeline for your nervous system. It works hand in hand with B6 and B1 to protect your nerves from the silent damage diabetes can cause. Without enough B12, you might start feeling weak, dizzy, forgetful, or even depressed. All signs that your body is struggling. And let's not forget diabetic peripheral neuropathy, one of the most common and painful complications of diabetes, which can steal your ability to feel your hands and feet properly. If you follow a vegetarian diet, the challenge is even greater. B12 is mostly found in animal-based foods, meaning plant-based eaters have to be extra mindful of where they get their B12. While non-vegetarians can load up on beef, seafood, eggs, and organ meats, vegetarians need to turn to options like milk, yogurt, buttermilk, and fortified soy milk. And if diet alone isn't cutting it, supplements might be necessary to fill in the gaps. Now you might be thinking, can I just take a B12 pill and call it a day? Technically, yes. But here's the truth. Whole foods are always the better choice. They provide a natural balance of nutrients, making it easier for your body to absorb and use them effectively. Supplements can help, but relying on them alone isn't the best long-term strategy. Managing diabetes isn't just about blood sugar. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Every choice you make, from what you eat to how you supplement, either supports your health or makes things harder. And when it comes to vitamin B12, the choice is clear. Pay attention now or risk serious nerve damage later. So ask yourself, are you giving your body what it needs? If you're feeling sluggish, forgetful, or dealing with unexplained tingling, it might be time to take action. Don't wait until the damage is done. Start prioritizing your vitamin B12 intake today, because your nerves, your energy, and your future health depend on it. 3. BIOTIN. What if I told you that one simple vitamin could help you stabilize blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and even boost your energy levels? It might sound too good to be true, but the truth is, most people with diabetes are missing out on it. That vitamin is BIOTIN. If you've been struggling with unpredictable blood sugar spikes, constant fatigue, or insulin resistance, there's a real chance your body isn't getting enough. And the worst part? Many people don't even realize it. BIOTIN isn't just another vitamin. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle when it comes to how your body processes sugar. Without it, things start to slow down and sugar builds up in your bloodstream instead of being used for energy. Here's why. BIOTIN plays a direct role in activating glucokinase, an enzyme in your liver and pancreas responsible for converting glucose into a form your body can actually use. Think of it like a spark plug in an engine. Without it, the system can't fire properly and everything starts to break down. When BIOTIN levels drop, this process slows, insulin sensitivity declines, and suddenly managing diabetes becomes even more of a challenge. And here's the kicker. People with diabetes are actually more prone to BIOTIN deficiency. Unlike some nutrients that your body can store for later use, BIOTIN needs to be replenished daily. Without a steady supply, your body struggles to use insulin efficiently, making it harder to regulate blood sugar. And when insulin resistance kicks in, it's like your cells are locked out, unable to absorb the energy they need, leaving you feeling tired, sluggish, and frustrated. But here's the good news. Fixing this doesn't have to be complicated. BIOTIN is naturally found in some incredibly nutritious foods, including egg yolks, almonds, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, and salmon. These foods don't just provide BIOTIN, they also come packed with other essential nutrients that support overall health. And if you're not getting enough from food alone, a high-quality supplement can help bridge the gap. The goal isn't just to avoid sugar, but to give your body the right tools to process it efficiently. So here's the big question. Are you getting enough BIOTIN? If you've been dealing with blood sugar spikes, low energy, or insulin resistance, it might be time to take a closer look. Making small changes like adding BIOTIN-rich foods to your meals or considering a supplement could make a real difference in how you feel every day. Every choice you make matters, and prioritizing the right nutrients isn't just about managing diabetes. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. When you take control of your nutrition, you take control of your health. If you're loving this video and finding it super helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to drop your thoughts, questions, or favorite tips in the comments below. I'd really love to hear from you. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just a nutrient. It's a lifeline for anyone managing diabetes. Imagine it as the unsung hero of your body, working quietly behind the scenes to ensure that your insulin is produced efficiently and your blood sugar levels stay on track. Without enough vitamin D, your body struggles to make insulin, setting off a chain reaction that can lead to unpredictable blood sugar spikes and eventually serious health complications. This isn't merely a medical fact, it's a personal story for anyone who has ever felt overwhelmed by the challenges of diabetes. Think about it. When insulin, the key hormone regulating your blood sugar, falters in its duty, your entire system feels the strain. It's like having a trusted friend who suddenly can't show up when you need them most. That feeling of vulnerability can be disheartening, but there's hope. Vitamin D offers a natural, reliable way to restore balance. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions have the power to transform our daily struggles into victories. What makes vitamin D even more remarkable is that it's available to us almost effortlessly. Every day, nature provides us with a free dose of this essential nutrient in the form of sunlight. Just a few minutes basking in the sun can help boost your vitamin D levels, reinforcing the idea that sometimes the most effective remedies are right outside our doorstep. Yet we all know that life isn't always filled with clear skies and sunny days. When the weather is gloomy or you're confined indoors, your diet becomes the critical backup plan. This is where your food choices take center stage. Picture a plate filled with delicious, nourishing options, fatty fish like salmon and tuna that not only satisfy your taste buds, but also pack a powerful vitamin D punch, creamy cheese and rich egg yolks that bring comfort and strength, earthy mushrooms and soy products that offer a plant-based alternative for those who prefer it. Every bite of these foods is more than just a meal. It's a deliberate act of self-care. Each decision to include vitamin D-rich foods is a proactive step toward reclaiming your health, stabilizing your blood sugar, and empowering you to take control of your diabetes. Every day you face choices about what to eat and how to live. These choices might seem small, but they add up to create a significant impact over time. When you choose to nourish your body with the right foods, you are not just feeding yourself. You are fueling a system that works tirelessly to keep you well. Embracing vitamin D means choosing a natural, effective way to support your body's vital functions, ensuring that insulin production remains robust and your energy levels stay high. Let this be your call to action. Every meal is an opportunity to fight back against diabetes, to take a stand for your health, and to transform small daily actions into a legacy of well-being and hope. Embrace the power of vitamin D and step into a life where you are in control. A life filled with strength, balance, and the promise of brighter days ahead. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is not just another nutrient. It's a powerful ally in your fight against diabetes. For those living with type 1 diabetes, vitamin C plays an indispensable role. Imagine it as a steadfast partner working alongside insulin to protect your delicate blood vessels. When insulin and vitamin C team up, they form a protective shield around your circulatory system, safeguarding your heart and ensuring that your body's essential pathways remain unharmed. This isn't merely a scientific fact. It's a lifeline for anyone who has ever worried about the hidden complications that come with type 1 diabetes. For those managing type 2 diabetes, vitamin C brings a different, yet equally vital form of support. It enhances your body's ability to process sugar by improving glucose tolerance, allowing you to handle those inevitable spikes with greater ease. Its strong antioxidant properties work tirelessly to neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of damage to your cells. In essence, vitamin C helps balance your blood sugar levels and keeps your arteries in top condition, which means less strain on your heart and a more energized, vibrant you. Picture your day starting with a burst of natural energy, a bright, juicy orange, a tangy slice of grapefruit, or even a refreshing squeeze of lemon in your water. These citrus fruits are not only bursting with flavor, they're packed with vitamin C, delivering a natural boost that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Beyond citrus, nature offers a bounty of vitamin C-rich foods. Imagine the rich taste of amla, the crisp freshness of leafy greens, and the colorful crunch of yellow capsicum that transforms an ordinary meal into a vibrant feast for both your senses and your health. Broccoli, green chilies, strawberries, papaya, and guava each contribute their own unique benefits, turning every bite into a celebration of well-being. But here's the real magic. Every meal becomes a conscious choice to reclaim control over your health. Whether you're adding a handful of strawberries to your morning cereal or tossing a rainbow salad for lunch, you're not just nourishing your body, you're building a defense against diabetes. With every bite, you're telling your body that you deserve strength, vitality, and a future free from constant worry. In a world where managing diabetes can sometimes feel like an uphill battle, vitamin C stands as a quiet, reassuring friend. It reminds you that nature has provided us with simple, delicious ways to take care of ourselves. Embracing vitamin C isn't about following a rigid diet. It's about infusing every day with small moments of self-care that add up to lasting health benefits. So, let every flavor, every vibrant color on your plate, and every nourishing bite serve as a powerful reminder. You have the strength to overcome challenges, and your choices today can lead to a brighter, healthier tomorrow. 6. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of those underrated nutrients that can truly transform your journey with diabetes. Imagine it as your body's unsung hero, quietly working behind the scenes to oxygenate your blood and enhance the action of insulin, the hormone responsible for keeping your blood sugar in check. When you give your body enough vitamin E, it not only boosts oxygen delivery to your cells, but also helps insulin perform at its best, acting like a built-in protective shield against the complications that diabetes can bring. For anyone living with diabetes, this isn't just science, it's a lifeline. With sufficient vitamin E, your cells receive more oxygen, which translates into improved insulin function and better blood sugar control. It's almost as if every dose of vitamin E you absorb gives you a little extra power in your daily battle, reducing your risk of heart issues and other long-term complications. And here's the truly inspiring part. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant. In a world where harmful free radicals constantly threaten your health, vitamin E steps in to neutralize these damaging molecules, lowering inflammation and helping to preserve your cellular health. Imagine the difference it would make if you could slow down or even prevent the damage that diabetes can cause, all by making sure you get enough of this vital nutrient. The beauty of vitamin E lies in its natural availability. You don't need to search high and low for a miracle supplement when your favorite foods can deliver this nutrient in delicious, accessible ways. Picture yourself reaching for a handful of almonds or peanuts as a midday snack. A simple, satisfying way to boost your vitamin E levels. Consider adding creamy avocado or crunchy hazelnuts to your salads, or sprinkling sunflower seeds over your yogurt for that extra nutritional punch. Even everyday vegetables like spinach and broccoli can help fortify your body with vitamin E. Every bite of these nutrient-rich foods isn't just a meal, it's an act of self-care, a moment where you choose to invest in your health. Managing diabetes isn't solely about medications or complex treatments. It's about the everyday decisions you make. Each time you opt for a vitamin E-rich snack or include these powerful foods in your meals, you're taking a stand for a healthier, more vibrant future. You're building strength from the inside out and reducing the burden of diabetes one delicious bite at a time. Let this knowledge empower you. Embrace vitamin E and let it be a constant reminder that every meal is an opportunity to nurture your body, protect your heart, and improve your overall well-being. In the face of diabetes, choose the natural, accessible power of vitamin E and take a confident step toward a calmer, more balanced life. If you want more tips on managing your diabetes through food, check out our other videos where we dive deeper into healthy eating, exercise tips, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new content that could make a real difference in your health. Your journey to better health starts right here. Managing diabetes is about more than controlling blood sugar. It's about fueling your body right every day. These 6 vitamins are true game changers. From B6 and B12 to biotin, D, C, and E, each plays a vital role in balancing blood sugar and protecting your nerves, heart, and overall well-being. Adding these essential nutrients to your daily routine means every small choice builds a strong foundation for a healthier, calmer life. Even tiny changes can lead to more energy and less worry over time. Your health is priceless, so invest in a better tomorrow with every meal. Subscribe now to take charge of your health. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.